Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on HSBC Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in hsbc.co.uk and press enter. You will now be taken into the official HSBC Bank website. Now from this page, in order to sign up, click on the register button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the sign up page. Just scroll down and click on the register now button and you will be taken into the registration page. Just click on continue and you will be asked to read the terms and conditions. You can download the conditions by clicking on the button which says download, or you can read this all the way till the end. Then click on the close button and make sure to check the box which says that you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. Then click on the continue button and you will be asked to choose your verification method. Choose whichever option is suitable for you and then click on the continue button. You will then be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in your credit card number if you chose this method. Finally enter your date of birth and then enter your telephone security number. You will need to enter the displayed digits within the instruction. After entering all of these information, click on the continue button and you can also use other options by clicking on use another option. Once you click on continue, you will be allowed to enter other credentials such as your username and your password for your account. After entering your desired username and password, you can continue forward and then you will need to proceed with your identity verification. Once your identity has been verified, your account will successfully be created and now you can use your credentials to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a new account and sign up on HSBC Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.